Tuesday, July 10th, in an all-new Rusty Rivets. The bots have a case of the sneezes. And it's spreading. Can Rusty cure this sneeze disease?
That was one big sneeze.
Find out in an all-new Rusty Rivets, Tuesday, July 10th at 12. On Nick. It's you.
You forgot to cover your mouth.